Welcome to a bold new chapter in residential design. Luxury tiny homes in 2026 are redefining what it means to live small without sacrificing comfort, beauty, or status. These homes blend high-end designer furniture with clean minimalist aesthetics, creating spaces that feel expansive, intentional, and refined. As architects and designers push boundaries, tiny living is no longer about compromise. It's about precision, craftsmanship, and smarter relationship with space, sustainability, and modern luxury. In 2026, luxury is no longer measured by square footage but by experience, efficiency, and emotional comfort. Tiny homes embody this shift perfectly. Every inch is curated, every material thoughtfully chosen, and every function carefully integrated. Homeowners are prioritizing quality over quantity, embracing environments that reduce clutter and stress. This new definition of luxury reflects a global movement toward mindful living, where elegance is found in simplicity and purposeful design. Architecturally, luxury tiny homes of 2026 embrace clean lines, balanced proportions, and timeless forms. Minimalism here is not cold or empty. It is warm, intentional, and deeply human. Flat or gently sloped roofs, expansive glass panels, and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions define the exterior language. These homes often feel sculptural, standing as modern design statements while remaining highly functional, efficient, and visually calming in any natural or urban setting. In luxury tiny homes, furniture is no longer an afterthought. It becomes part of the architecture itself. Custom-built sofas, modular dining tables, and sculptural storage units are designed to integrate seamlessly with walls and floors. Designer furniture in 2026 emphasizes multifunctionality without visual clutter. Each piece serves several purposes while maintaining a refined aesthetic, proving that high design and practicality can coexist beautifully in compact living spaces. Color plays a powerful role in making tiny interiors feel luxurious and expansive. In 2026, designers favor soft neutrals such as warm whites, sand tones, muted taupes, and gentle grays, accented with deep charcoals or natural hues. These palettes create visual continuity and calm. Strategic use of texture, linen, stone, brushed metal, adds depth, ensuring minimalist interiors feel rich, layered, and inviting rather than flat or sterile. Luxury tiny homes thrive on intelligent spatial planning. Hidden storage solutions are seamlessly embedded beneath floors, behind walls, and within furniture. In 2026, storage becomes nearly invisible, preserving clean lines and visual flow. Pull-out pantries, concealed wardrobes, and integrated shelving ensure functionality without clutter. This level of design discipline allows residents to enjoy open, breathable interiors while still accommodating daily needs with effortless organization. What truly elevates tiny homes into the luxury category is material choice. In 2026, architects use premium materials such as natural stone, engineered hardwood, matte finish metals, and high-performance glass. Because the space is small, every material is experienced up close, making quality essential. These refined finishes age beautifully and create a tactile connection between residents and their environment, reinforcing the feeling of living in a bespoke, high-end residence. Luxury tiny homes in 2026 are powered by discreet, intelligent technology. Smart lighting adjusts throughout the day, climate systems respond to occupancy, and voice-controlled features simplify everyday tasks. Technology is intentionally hidden to preserve minimalist aesthetics, enhancing comfort without visual noise. This seamless integration allows residents to enjoy a futuristic living experience while maintaining the calm, uncluttered atmosphere that defines modern minimalist design. Sustainability is no longer optional. It is a core element of luxury living. Tiny homes in 2026 often feature solar panels, energy-efficient appliances, rainwater harvesting, and sustainable building materials. These eco-conscious choices reduce environmental impact while lowering long-term costs. Living sustainably is now associated with intelligence and sophistication, proving that responsible design can also be beautiful, innovative, and deeply aligned with modern luxury values. Beyond design, luxury, tiny homes transform daily life. Residents experience less maintenance, reduced stress, and stronger connections to their surroundings. The minimalist approach encourages intentional living, where every object has meaning and every space serves a purpose. In 2026, tiny luxury homes support flexible lifestyles, remote work, travel, and personal freedom, offering a powerful alternative to oversized, underutilized traditional houses. Luxury tiny homes with designer furniture and clean minimalist style represent the future of residential architecture. They prove that thoughtful design, premium materials, and intelligent planning can create extraordinary living experiences within modest footprints. As we move forward, these homes will continue to inspire architects and homeowners alike, showing that true luxury lies not in excess, but in clarity, craftsmanship, and living beautifully with intention.